Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. We've got this question that is falling under chemical bonding, and I want to make it simple so that if a question similar to this was to come in an exam, you will be able to handle such a question. So if you are new to this channel or page, don't forget to follow us. The question is saying the figure below shows the structure of a compound. The first question you need to have is that what is a compound? A compound is a combination of two or more substances that are being combined chemically. So this is a chemical combination of two or more substances. It is just one and the same. First question here is saying, name the compound shown. What is the name of this compound? For us to know the name of this compound, we check how many electrons are here. So we say, okay, before these became ions, before that one became ions, this is to tell you that this one had to lose 2 electrons. This one was gaining 2 electrons. So from the number of electrons that are shown there, we remove the 2 that it has gained. So this one that is here. So what we are doing is that this one that is here, in total, it is having how many? It is having 10 because it has gained 2. So meaning that we remove the 2 that it has gained, we are remaining with 8. We are remaining with how many? We are remaining with 8 electrons. So meaning its natural atom, it was having 8 electrons. How about this one? This one is having 10. It has lost 2. So if we bring back the 2, meaning it is going to have how many? We are going to have 12 electrons. You check on the periodic table. Whenever we are talking about neutral atoms, the number of electrons are equal to the number of protons. On the periodic table, which one has got 8 as the proton number? It is oxygen. You check on the periodic table, which one has got proton numbers 12? That is magnesium. So when these two combine, the name of this compound is called magnesium oxide. You are done. That is what you just say, that is magnesium oxide. This is the name of that compound. It is what? Magnesium oxide. How then do we write magnesium oxide? So since this is the name, how then this is the next question, which is telling us to say, write down the chemical formula of the compound. So magnesium is like this. It has 2 plus. That is oxygen. It is 2 minus. So these 2 and that 2 going to cancel out. We are just going to have magnesium oxide. So this is a chemical formula, magnesium oxide. I guess you people are able to see what I am doing here. This is what you are supposed to do. We now move on to this one. What type of bonding is present in the compound? What type of bonding is present in this compound? The type of bonding that is present in that compound is called ionic bonding. How did I know that this is ionic bonding? You understand that ionic bonding is a transferring of electrons from metals to non-metals. Metals like magnesium are losing electrons, and non-metals like oxygen are gaining electrons. This is what you need to get and understand. So this one is losing metals, non-metals are gaining. So any type of bonding that will exist between a metal and a non-metal, that type of bonding is called the ionic bonding. This is what you are supposed to know. We now move on to the last question. The last question, this is a simple questions. The last question is saying, state 2 physical properties of this compound. The 2 physical properties of this compound is that all ionic compounds, as long as you are talking about an ionic compound, is that these, they conduct electricity. They conduct what? They conduct electricity. So we are going to say that they conduct electricity. 2 is that they have got high what? High melting and boiling point. They've got high melting and boiling point. High melting and boiling points. This is what you need to understand. So these two are enough on this one. This is what you are supposed to do. This is how you need to answer this particular question. So this is where we are going to end from. And thank you so much for connecting. Those of you that have watched up to this end, and those of you that could like to join me, I do offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology. This is my number. This is my WhatsApp number. You get to WhatsApp me on this number. So this is my WhatsApp number. You WhatsApp me on this number. I add you to the group. We enjoy these things together. So you are a GC candidate, an internal candidate. We enjoy these things together. So this is my WhatsApp number, 0971066747 is the one that is us here. You WhatsApp me, you start at an affordable fee. It's only 100 kwacha per subject. And those 100 Zambian kwacha per subject, those of you that are having 2 subjects, there is a promotion. You just need to pay 180. You have 2 subjects. So in a case where you want mathematics and science, you just need to pay 180. Biology and science, 180. But if you've got everything, all the 3, it is 250. So you are just paying 250 every month, where you get to learn on a daily basis. This is awesome. So this is where we are going to end from. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you so much. This is your brother and your friend, Addison J. Zulu Tutor.